the first step is to take a square, then we're going to be folding it into a triangle and eventually making our design on one side of that triangle. So let's get started. So you will be taking that square and very carefully, you will need to fold it in half, okay? And it has to exactly line up, okay? This is going to be pretty important, okay? So I want it to touch that corner, okay? Which it does, okay? I'm doing it very slowly. Once I have that, I'm not going to let go, but I'm going to drag my finger back, okay? And I've got a crease here at that end, and then I can simply drag it out and drag it out, okay? And if it's not perfectly lined up, there's just a little bit of an overhang here, that's okay. But make sure that you get the corner completely lined up. So again, you'll take that square, you'll take it and bring it over to the other side. Make sure it just lines up with it, not going past, but just lining up with it right there. I'm going to hold it right there, and I'm going to take my finger and just drag back towards the middle, okay? Once I'm there and I have that crease, then I can just drag to this side, and notice I'm not letting go here, and just drag to the other side, okay? Again, there's a little bit of an area where it doesn't line up perfectly. That's my cutting. Don't worry about that. So fold it in half so that you have a triangle. That is the first step.